Brad Hall here. I've got two exciting new shoes today, the Nike Space Hippie 03 and 04. I'm going to tell you why they're so exciting and take a look into the future of sneakers. So stay tuned. Nike just released the Space Hippie collection. There were 4 models in total. The collection is really exciting because not only are they interesting looking shoes, they were also made in a very interesting way. Nike is taking a more sustainable approach to this collection. The shoes are made with a lot of recycled material. This model, the 03, it's made with 45% recycled material. That's pretty cool, and like I said, it looks pretty cool too. They didn't try to hide the fact that it is recycled material. The upper is Flyknit, and this Flyknit is actually made, I believe, out of 85% recycled material. The midsole is made out of foam, and then in that foam you've got little bits of ground up rubber, and it actually has a texture to it. It's not made smooth. I love that you can see the imperfections in there. There are rubber pieces on the sole, and those have those mixed in little material fragments too. Now on this 03 pair, there is added cushioning. It's ZoomX, which is the same foam used on those fancy running shoes. The ZoomX on this pair though is actually made with ZoomX scraps. The whole approach to this collection, it even spills over to the box. It is designed to double as the shipping box, so it's not shipping in an extra box, just one box for the shoes and the shipping. It's called the Space Hippie collection, and the shoes definitely have a futuristic look. The 03 pair, even more futuristic looking because it has this really innovative lacing system. You just pull, and that locks you down. So they all do look futuristic, but the 03 model, this one really embodies what this collection is all about. Nike always seems to be innovating when it comes to earth-friendly approaches. I remember they had that Considered line that used different materials and it cut down on bad glues. More recently, there was Fly leather that was supposed to be like leather, but it wasn't leather. And then of course today we've got the Space Hippie line, which is maybe Nike's most aggressive, earth-friendly approach yet. I assume this is just the beginning. Nike is gonna take this approach a lot further. Probably 100% recycled material shoes. I can definitely see that happening. And when I was imagining what that would be like, I dreamed up something big. It is a 100% recycled content Michael Air Jordan 1. Here's a video I made showcasing that recycled content shoe. When I started thinking about making a 100% recycled content shoe, I thought about what material that ends up in a landfill could be used to form a shoe. Clothing seemed like the perfect choice. My shoe uses some commonly discarded clothing items. It takes something that someone thought was trash and creates something brand new. This is the Michael Air Jordan 1 100% recycled content shoe. It'll be so interesting to see if Nike can go from something like this to something like what I just showed you. That would be quite a leap. And that is my show for today. It was a really big show, and thank you so much for watching.